Hello, how are you, all my dear students? I am fine. I hope you are well. And all dears, very thanks. You subscribe my channel, watch my videos, like and share. Today's assignment title: EXP 25 Excel chapter number 6 mid level 1 housing cost. And final title assignment is today housing cost. Project descriptions. If you any kind of assignment, please Excel, Word, PowerPoints, finance, accountings, mathematics, English, literature, assess grader and other assignment, weekly exam and course, please you contact me WhatsApp and email. Question number 1, I start now. Start Excel, download and open the file names. EXP25 Excel chapter number 6 mid level 1 housing cost. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. All dears, question number 1 is you first downloading the file, but time is very short. Then I already the downloading this file. And question number 1 is complete. I start now question number 2. Assign the range names B9 base and B15 interiors and B21 exteriors and B23 lot. Assign the range names B9 base. I copy this and worksheet open. B9, it's okay. B9 enter. B15 put in values interiors. B15 I paste and copy this. I enter and B21 exteriors. I open the worksheet. 21 I paste this. I enter and last name B23 lots. I copy this. B23 lots 23 lots. It's okay. I paste. I enter. Okay, question number 2 is finally complete. All my dear student, question is no lengthy. This is very easy, but you understand point by point. Question number 3, I increase the word size. I color change. You better word this word. Enter a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimate cost. The total estimate cost in the sum of the base house price B9 and total interiors upgrade, and B15 total exterior upgrades, B21 and lot fee B23. Be sure to use range name to the in the formula. Enter a formula is B25. Okay, all guys, I go to worksheet and B25, B25. I enter formula, sum formula 5. B9 first, sum of the base house price equal base house price plus interior upgrade B, total interior upgrades B15, interior upgrade, it's okay, upgrade, and third is total exterior upgrade B21, third total exterior upgrade 21, and 4 lot fee B23, lost B23, B23, it's okay, I enter. I'll make additional, some formula is finally complete, and this figure total estimate cost. Question number 3 is finally complete, and question number 4 start now. Use the goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost goal of $350,000. Use goal seek to determine to the total finished square footage to meet. It's okay. To meet. Meets. It's okay. I open the data and what's of analysis. Good seeds. Oi! Oi! is complete. Enter a series of total square footage. Total square footage. Total square footage. It's okay. Total square footage. This is very complete. And be sure to use total square footage as the column input. Apply custom numbers format to display base cost in cell E5 and total cost in cell F5. It's okay. It's okay. Square. I copy this. Square. Home page. Customs. Journal. I paste. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I paste. Sorry.